Hello, Quiz Maker users. We all know how powerful this quiz plugin is, but adding questions one by one is slow and very painful process. The Quiz Maker question importer make creation of quiz as easy as it can be. You prepare questions in a CSV and import in bulk. But this upgrade adds an additional smooth method from Google Sheets. You keep editing the quiz questions in the cloud and sync when the content is ready. The template for Excel, CSV, and Google Sheets are all same, so no learning curve and no confusion. You can set a quiz title in the sheet. Imported questions can attach to the right quiz. That means less cleanup after import. Stay until the end. We will show you where to click and what to check. Let us begin. You get one template for all paths. The same columns work for file upload and for Google Sheet sync. The screen is easy to use. You pick Excel or CSV or Google Sheet. Everything stays in the Quiz Maker area in WordPress. Open WordPress. Log in as an administrator. In the left menu, find Quiz Maker. Click Import Questions. On this page, find Templates. Download CSV template, or use the short sample if you only need a small file. The first row is the header. It must match the template. Do not rename columns unless you know the rules. Add your questions row by row. Use the quiz title column if you want questions inside one quiz. Use the exact quiz name you want in Quiz Maker. Save your file. Upload it to Google Drive. Open it with Google Sheets. Click Share. Set access to anyone with the link. Set role to viewer. Copy the link from the browser. Back in WordPress, open Import Questions again. Click the tab Google Sheet and paste your Google Sheet link in the box. Pick Import New Questions for new rows. Pick Update Existing only if your sheet includes question ID and you want to change those rows. Click Run Sync. Wait until the message finishes. Open Quiz Maker, then Questions. You should see your new questions. Open Quizzes. Open the quiz that matches your quiz title. Confirm the question list looks correct. Make sure the sheet is shared with anyone with the link. Make sure the first row matches the template. That is the full flow. You now know how to move from Google Sheet to Quiz Maker in clear steps. If this saved you time, save this video. Share it with your team. For more help, use the support and tutorial links on the product page. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your quizzes.